Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanu Wellness. Today we're going to focus on best posture tips to prevent shoulder pain. We all know good posture is key to reduce shoulder discomfort and improve our overall health. So we'll be going through some essential tips such as maintaining proper shoulder alignment, maintaining a neutral spine and many more such tips. The best part about these tips are they're very easy to incorporate into our daily life. So let's get started and let's start improving our posture. In this video, I'll share 6 crucial posture tips that will help prevent shoulder pain and also improve your overall well-being. We'll cover everything from shoulder alignment to taking regular breaks. Ready to make some positive changes? So let's get started. And don't forget there is a special bonus tip till the end of the video, so stick around. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content on staying fit and healthy. Now let's get started. Maintaining proper shoulder alignment is fundamental to preventing shoulder pain. To achieve this, always make sure your shoulders are relaxed, back, down, and always retracted. That means your shoulders have to be squeeze your shoulder blades and have to be turned backwards. Avoid hunching your shoulders, and if you see few people have this habit of just pulling their shoulders up towards the ears, try to avoid this. Now include a lot of shoulder blade exercises such as shoulder squeezes, shoulder retraction exercises. All these exercises will help to reinforce good posture by strengthening the muscles that will support your shoulders. Practicing shoulder alignment reduces the strain on your shoulder and it helps to prevent pain and any kind of discomfort. Now let's talk about neutral spine. When you say neutral spine, it means you're maintaining the natural curves of your spine. A spine is an S shape, so you're maintaining those curves without excessive arching or excessive slouching. So when you're sitting, always make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Like I said before, your back is supported and your feet are flat on the floor. Your knees have to be at 90 degrees, and make sure when you're standing, do not lean on one side. I've seen many people, when they stand, they always are putting their weight on one side. That will put excessive pressure or stress on the other side, and that will cause a lot of discomfort. Regularly practicing this posture tips can help distribute the stress on your spine and shoulders, reducing the risk of pain. Now, very important thing is when you are doing any alignment or you're keeping the spine neutral, we forget to focus on our core. So core strengthening exercises is extremely important. That will help maintain a good neutral posture, reducing your shoulder pain. Have you ever tried any posture tip for maintaining your shoulder health? Let us know in the comments given below and how they work for you, or even you can share your favorite tip for maintaining a good posture. Remember, we love hearing from you. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing a special bonus tip that can help you maintain a pain-free posture throughout your day. Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss it. Creating an ergonomic setup is crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing shoulder pain, especially if you spend a lot of hours at your desk. Adjust your chair so that your feet are all flat on the floor. Like I said before, your knees have to be at 90 degrees and your shoulders always have to be retracted. Also remember, your monitor has to be at your eye level so that it doesn't strain your neck muscles, because if you are completely moving your neck or tilting your neck, that will give lot of neck pain and shoulder pain. Use a chair that supports your lower back and it promotes a neutral spine position. If possible, use a standing desk to vary your posture throughout the day. An ergonomic setup minimizes the strain on your shoulders and that will help prevent your pain. Taking regular breaks is essential to prevent prolonged sitting and associated shoulder pain. Aim to take short breaks every 30 to 60 minutes. Try to stand up, stretch, move around your workplace because this will help in improving your blood circulation. During your breaks, perform simple stretches such as neck tilts, shoulder rolls, shoulder up and down exercises. Even a brief walk around your workplace makes a lot of difference. You can set a timer or an app so that it will remind you to take these breaks regularly. Incorporating movement into your daily routine will help to counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting and it will support your overall health. Now let's discuss about core engagement. Like I said before, when we are dealing with shoulder pain or postural tip, we always forget the core. But engaging your core muscles is vital for supporting your spine and maintaining a good posture. A strong core can help stabilize your spine and reduce the risk and reduce the load on your shoulder. So now when you are doing core exercises, engage your core. Imagine you're pulling the belly button inside towards the spine, hold for a few seconds, and this particular engagement can be done throughout the day. Especially while you're sitting at your workplace, take deep breaths, engage your core, hold for a few seconds, and then release. Remember, if you do this core engagement exercise throughout the day, you will see significant reduction in your shoulder pain. It will improve your posture because that gives a continuous support to your spine and shoulders. So let's do this and let me know. And let's go to another important tip, that is being aware. Staying mindful of your posture throughout the day is crucial for preventing shoulder pain. Regularly check with yourself that you are maintaining a good posture. It could be in standing, sitting, or while moving. Use visual cues like mirrors, posture apps that will keep you aware of your posture. Now remember, mindful practices like yoga, mat pilates, meditation, all of these help enhance your body awareness. These exercises help you connect your mind with your body. It makes you conscious of your posture. You can make continuous adjustments to your shoulders and spine even while you're doing the exercises. So when you do these practices regularly, you will see significant reduction in your shoulder pain by adjusting your spine and your posture. For our bonus tip, let's discuss about how using a posture brace or a support can help maintain proper alignment and prevent shoulder pain. Now I'll show you a posture brace which is very easy to wear, and it not only supports your shoulder but it also supports your upper back. Now this is very easy to wear. You can just keep your shoulder like this, relaxed, wear it like this and start typing. And this is extremely safe, easy to wear, and particularly if it's useful if you're spending a lot of hours at your work desk. While choosing a posture brace, look for one which is very comfortable, adjustable. If you see, this is loose and it can be adjusted the way your shoulders are. It should provide lot of support without restricting your movement, which is very important. Wear it for short periods initially and gradually increase the time as your muscles adapt to the improved posture. It is important to combine the use of a posture brace with shoulder exercises that will not only strengthen your back muscles but also strengthen your shoulder muscles. By integrating various tools and equipments like this, In your daily routine, it will help in maintaining better posture and reduce the risk of shoulder pain. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like these. Stay tuned and keep the shoulders healthy.